Here's a new 2019 Honda Odyssey. From hood to hatch, it offers all the comforts and conveniences you want. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Streaming audio, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, remote engine start, driver memory seats, V6 engine, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Of the Odyssey, the Car Connection writes, it stands at the top of the minivan heap with more design flair and more driving enjoyment than most other three-row rivals. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
It would be our absolute pleasure to serve you today. Sport Honda is located at 3271 Automobile Boulevard in Silver Spring, Maryland, in the Montgomery Auto Sales Park.